Dealing with an ant infestation in your apartment can be a real pain, right? We can help. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. And here are 7 effective ways to handle an ant infestation in your apartment. Number 1. Start off by cleaning like you've never cleaned before. Wipe down surfaces, sweep up crumbs, and make sure to store all your food in airtight containers. Trust me, ants can smell even the tiniest crumb. Number 2. Next, you gotta seal those entry points. Check for cracks or gaps around windows and doors. A little caulk or weather stripping can go a long way in keeping those ants outside where they belong. Number 3. Consider using natural repellents too. A simple mix of equal parts water and white vinegar can disrupt their scent trails. Or try some essential oils like peppermint. Ants aren't fans of strong smells, and it'll keep your place smelling fresh. Number 4. Setting out ant baits is a smart move. Place them near entry points in areas where you see a lot of ant activity. Just be patient, as it might take a few days for them to carry it back to their colony. Number 5. If you live in an apartment complex, communicate with your neighbors and landlord. Let them know about the issue, as ants can travel between units. Sharing tips with others can speed up the process of getting rid of them. Number 6. If DIY methods aren't cutting it, don't hesitate to call in the pros. Pest control experts know all the tricks and can tailor treatments specifically for your situation. And many offer follow-up visits to ensure the problem stays gone. Number 7. Lastly, stay persistent. Ants can be tricky, and it might take time to fully eliminate the problem. Keep an eye on your cleaning habits and adjust strategies based on what you notice over time. For more resources on pest control and finding trusted help, check out bighomeprojects.com. You deserve to enjoy a pest-free home without the hassle of unwanted visitors.